Education is defined as the process of receiving or giving systematic instruction, especially at a school or university. For most Americans, we receive an education from 5 years old to 18 years old, and most continue on to college. Throughout one's school career, they will take many standardized tests, including the ACT or SAT. Over the past decade, standardized testing has become a very controversial topic. Because many colleges look at one's ACT or SAT score for acceptance and scholarship money, the relationship between one's test scores and their academic ability has come into question. We have found through scientific studies that there is not a correlation between standardized test scores and intelligence. Some might argue against that, saying that the use of standardized tests improve education in America and that standardized tests are a fair and objective measure of student achievement. Through our research, you will see that this is not the case. In the average classroom, cognitive skills such as speed, memory, and process of elimination are not taught. These skills are expected of students on all standardized tests, even though they are not part of the curriculum. The ACT and SAT are packed full of taught curriculum, but in order to earn a score equivalent to one's knowledge, cognitive skills are required. If these skills are not taught in the classroom, students' academic abilities do not always correspond with their grade level or age. Within one grade level, there are academically advanced individuals and academically challenged individuals. Since many students' abilities do not fit their grade level, thousands each year are forced to redo a school year because they cannot keep up with the work, or skip a grade because they are much farther ahead academically. 12% of U.S. students each year skip a grade, while 1.5% are held back. An example is an 11th grader at NOHS named Claire Puffer, who has a 4.0 GPA, has taken multiple AP and honors classes, and is a member of NAHS, but she cannot earn above a 21 on the ACT. This illustrates that despite your academic abilities, sometimes a high standardized test grade cannot be achieved. The human brain is such a complex structure that even some of the best neurologists cannot understand it. Everybody's brain works differently when it comes to absorbing, processing, and applying information learned in the classroom. Some think very critically, some think very logically, and others just don't understand it at all. Due to the brain being so different and complex in everyone, a single test to determine one's intelligence is not an accurate measurement. In a study of 1,400 eighth graders in the Boston public school system, researchers from MIT, Harvard, and Brown found that MCA, the Massachusetts Standardized Testing, scores increased. However, only 3% of those students had an increase in cognitive skills such as memory, speed, and ability to solve abstract problems. Through our research and understanding of these studies, we have concluded that there is no correlation between standardized tests and one's intelligence.